If you're suffering from neuropathy pain, our breakthrough Angio nerve therapy will significantly reduce or completely alleviate your neuropathy symptoms, or will give you a full refund. This is what has allowed hundreds of people with the same neuropathy symptoms get back to living their lives. So how does it work? Let me first walk you through the basics at a high level. First, you'll book a free neuropathy consultation at our clinic using the link below. In this appointment, we'll evaluate whether or not you're a candidate for this brand new treatment. If you are, we'll create your personalized care plan and give you the investment along with financing options, so you'll be able to decide which is best for you. The program will typically consist of in-clinic and at-home treatment, focusing on regenerative therapies, and you'll be assigned a dedicated patient success manager that you'll have access to over the course of the entire program. Every 90 days, you'll have a re-exam to monitor changes and improvements in your nerve function and symptom severity. Our goal is to see at least a 20% improvement in the first 90 days, with many patients experiencing 50% or more significant relief. After completing the 12-month program, you'll continue to have access to all necessary equipment and protocols to ensure you maintain your progress. This process will help alleviate the neuropathy symptoms you're experiencing at the root for long-term recovery. For an exact estimate on how long this may take, you'll need to book a consultation with one of our specialists. And best of all, if this treatment doesn't work, you get a full refund. So if that sounds interesting to you, click the link below and schedule a consultation with one of our neuropathy specialists, and we'll see if you're a candidate for this treatment. Thank you for inquiring about our office. We hope to see you soon.